Sitara's talent has been appreciated by great artists in the world of music and rhythm. Ravi Shankar, Allah Rakha, Bade Ghulam Ali Khan, and so many others. Even after 40 years of dancing, Sitara Devi practices several hours a day in her home. She is still not satisfied with her achievements. She is continually striving for perfection. It is her love of dance and her amazing discipline that has won her recognition not only among prime ministers and presidents, but amongst the people at large. She has won innumerable awards and honorifics, such as the Padma Shri, Nritya Vilas, and even a doctorate. Rabindranath Tagore hailed her as the Queen of Kathak. Unlike language, music and dance have an appeal that is immediate. Sitara Devi, more than any other dancer, has introduced the art of Kathak to the world outside India. The Ganges, Mata Ganga, embraces all the arts. And not far from her banks, in a small suburb of the city of Calcutta, was born to Sukhdev Maharaj and Mataya Kumari a girl. This child was destined to become Sitara Devi, India's greatest woman exponent of the Kathak dance form. In those days, orthodoxy looked down upon women who danced, as Sitara Devi herself explains.
पिताजी को प्रेरणा मिलने के बाद जब सिखाना शुरू किया तो बिरादरी में तो एक हंगामा हो गया और बड़े बड़े बुजुर्ग आए, बूढ़े लोग जमा हो गए और पंचायत शुरू हो गया कि साहब हमारे ब्राह्मण घर की.
When Sukhdev Maharaj encouraged his daughter to dance, friends, relatives, and indeed the whole community attacked him, accusing him of converting his daughter into a courtesan. It was then that the father in him said, "Look into your own culture. Did Parvati not dance with Shiva? Did not Radha dance with Krishna? Does not Shiva himself embody the cosmic dance of the universe?" The origin of the dance of Kathak derives from the word katha, which means a story. The essence of Kathak is narrative. Kathak interprets the emotions of characters involved in mythology and legend through dance and mime, and that cosmic rhythm which is as common to the gods as it is to man.
नित्याय शुद्धाय दिगंबराय तस्मै नकाराय नमः शिवाय. टिमिका टिमिका डमरुबा टिमिका टिमिका डमरुबा प्रेम मगन नाच बोला गमन नाच बोला टिमिका टिमिका डमरुबा नाग पनक
In Banaras, film producers told her if she would consider a career in films, her talent would reach out to millions of people. And so, Sitara became a film star. It is an interesting facet of Sitara's talent that film producers and directors regarded her not only as a dancer, but as a serious actress.
मैं जानती हूँ कि तुम मेरे शौहर हो, मेरे सरताज हो, मैं अपने फर्ज को भी खूब समझती हूँ, लेकिन दिल से मजबूर हूँ। तुमने ये भी कभी सोचा कि मैं तुम्हारी बीवी हूँ? कभी भी मोहब्बत से रजिया कहकर पुकारा? हमेशा एक ही ख्याल में खोए रहते हो। क्या तुम्हारा ये मतलब है कि मैं अपना घर जलते हुए देखूं और मुंह से उफ न करूं?
रजिया, सुनो तो क्या तुम ये चाहते हो कि हम में तुम्हें कोई फैसला ना हो और दोनों जिंदगी दोजख बनी रहे? पागल बनो और मुझे भी अपने साथ पागल बनो।
पागल कहो या कुछ भी कहो, मैं तो पागल बन गई हूँ, मगर तुम्हें भी पागल बनाकर रहूंगी।
This is Lucknow as it looks today. But there was a time when Lucknow was a meeting place of the arts. When the Mughal Empire began to decay, the state of Awadh became a repository of refinement. The Nawabs of Awadh localized this refinement into a cultural pattern which is unique. The last of these princes of Awadh, Nawab Wajid Ali Shah, was a remarkable patron of the arts. Nawab Wajid Ali Shah brought to Kathak a sensuality and romanticism it had not known before, and gave it dignity and respectability.
एक इमारत लबे जमुना वही अंदाज़ अदा मुग़लिया दौर की गम्माज़ नज़र आती है। जब भी महताब की हल्की सी किरण पड़ती है, ताज के अक्स में मुमताज नजर आती है। प्यार के मोड़ पे मिल गए हो अगर और मिलने मिलाने का वादा करो, गए हो तो जाने की जिद ना करो, जा रहे हो तो आने का वादा करो।
After the eclipse of the culture of Awadh, it is only in recent times that Kathak has once again become a major art form and taken its rightful place in the modern world. Sitara Devi works very hard to train and inspire young people into the intricacies, the discipline and the wonder of Kathak. Her life is committed to the preservation and growth of the tradition of Kathak. The love story of Radha and Krishna needs no telling. It is an important aspect of Kathak. In spite of her age, Sitara has within her the springtime of youth.
यशोदा के लाल खेले होरी धूम मचोरी यशोदा के लाल खेले होरी धूम मचोरी करण कनक पिचकारी हाथ लिए केसर रंग भरोरी करण कनक पिचकारी हाथ लिए केसर रंग भरोरी उड़त गुलाल लाल भय बादल उड़त गुलाल लाल भय बादल चली रंग की झोरी यशोदा के लाल खेले होरी धूम मचोरी यशोदा के लाल खेले होरी धूम मचोरी निर्तत नंदन दन छुम छनन तिगड़े तिगड़े कांत तिगड़ा लियो रंग सब सखा संग मन में उमंग गति त्रिभंग का खेलत भुज मेल लपटी चपटी राधा ललिता चंद्रावली दियो गोर रंग घोर सरबो बनवारी मैहारी जा जारी मैहारी जा जारी मैहारी जा जारी यशोदा के लाल खेले होरी धूम मचोरी बाजा बजत देव नभ छाय सुमन बरस कर जोरी वृंदा कहत धन्य ब्रज जुगती वृंदा कहत धन्य ब्रज जुगती नाचत कृष्ण खड़ोरी वृंदावन कुंजन में रचो रास आली आली बनमाली कीर्तन सखी जय जय ताली हो वृंदावन कुंजन में रचो रास आली आली बनमाली कीर्तन सखी जय ताली दिगदिगताम दिगदिगताम तग 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 दिग 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 तातुंगा तातुंगा दिगदा दिग दिगता जय जय ताली वृंदावन कुंजल में रचो रास आली आली बनमाली कीर्तन सखी जय जय ताली
She takes great pains to study classical literature and relate it to the life force, constantly searching for new meaning, new expression. Sitara Devi has always said that her life will end in no other way except on the stage, always in pursuit of the perfect performance.